Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can use Google Pay in store. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in order to set up a contactless payment with Google Pay, first of all you need to enable NFC. So for that, what you need to do is open up your settings application, and then you have to turn on NFC on your device, and under NFC you need to tap on contactless payment, and after that set Google Pay as your default payment. So after that, unlock your phone, and there is no need to log in into your Google Pay. So after you unlock your device, and after that you need to position back of your phone close to the payment terminal, and once you do that, the Google Pay app will automatically launch. After that, you need to enter the amount as well as PIN that is associated with your Google Pay, and after a few seconds later you should be able to see a check mark indicating that the transaction has been completed. And that is how you can use Google Pay in store. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.